Well, as the Oregon legislative session deadline looms, faith communities in Oregon are raising awareness about a bill that is on the cusp of making it through. It would help integrate refugee families here in Oregon. Elise Haas met with faith leaders to find out what's at stake. Elise?
Jenny, just moments ago, faith leaders and refugees gathered on the steps of this church to talk about this very issue, because at this time when this bill to help refugees is coming at the same time when the federal government is significantly cutting back on funding and services for families who are seeking asylum in America. So right now, House Bill 2508 is up in the air in the Oregon legislature, and the bill would provide nearly 2,000 refugees with extended case management over 2 years. The bill is asking for $4.5 million in funding, which would replace what the federal government has taken away. Faith leaders who oversee resettlement programs explain that families who receive this extended case management are significantly less likely to depend on public assistance long term.
And they need assistance to find housing, to find health care, to find jobs, to become independent in the American tradition. They need a lot of assistance. This bill will actually allow the resettlement agencies to support families for up to 5 years, which is really just brilliant and a wonderful advantage.
Today, refugees from all over the world shared their stories of how they had to flee violence and civil war in order to start a new life in America and in Oregon. Each and every one of them said they wouldn't be living and working independently today without the support and services they received upon arrival. So we are coming into the final weeks of the legislative session in Oregon. That'll end at the end of this month. And so these faith leaders are really urging lawmakers to push this bill through, and they're also encouraging folks who are in support of this bill to call on the representatives about this issue. Jenny?